How to create business wise account. All you need to do is log on to wise.com, click on open an account. Then in the create account section, go ahead and enter your email address and click on next or sign up with any of these options. All right. Once you've entered your email, you'll be sent an email and then you have to confirm. So once your email has been confirmed, just go ahead and click on continue. And then you ask, what kind of account are you looking to open? Just go ahead and select business account and then country or region. Let's go ahead and select our region here. All right. So once you've entered your region, just scroll through and you'd find all the things you can do with your account. And once you've taken note of this, just go ahead and click on continue. And now you're asked to verify with a phone number. So you do have to provide a phone number to verify your account. I will be continuing this on my existing account and I'll show you what comes next. All right, guys. So once you have entered your country, I'm just going to go ahead and continue from there. Once you've entered your country, let's say you're using Norway, just click and continue. And then what is your role? Just head over to self-employed. That's the option I'm going with. And then enter your company number or your company name. So I'm just going to use a random company name for this video. Let's go with this here and also click on save and continue and then click on save and continue again and then select a sector. So select an industry and then the size of your business and then click on save and continue and then simply enter a short information concerning your business like the about page and then click on save and continue. Once you've entered something, just go ahead and click on save and continue. And then if your business doesn't have a website, you could just click on I don't have a website. So let's just keep moving and then confirm and continue. And then choose your currencies. So I'm just going to keep it at British pounds and then click on continue. And then what are you using Wise for? Let's just say receiving money. Continue again. Who are the business owners? I'll just click on add as owner and then click on continue. Tax residency. Now you're going to have to include your tax residency, but once that's all done, you could just proceed to your newly created account. All right, so that's it, guys. That's how you can go about creating a Wise business account.